How to fix Helldivers 2 black screen problem. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. Believe it or not, sometimes waiting for a few minutes can resolve the black screen, especially during peak server load. Try to relaunch or restart your game. If it still does not help, here comes the solution. Firstly, you need to verify your game files. In order to do so, Steam can check and fix any corrupted game files that might be causing the issue. In your Steam library, right-click on your Helldivers 2, select Properties, head on Local Files, tap on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you have checked it, try to adjust your display settings. Try switching the game from full screen to borderless windowed mode. You might find this option in the game's setting menu or graphic control panel. Update your graphic driver. Ensure you have the latest driver for your graphic card from either NVIDIA or AMD. Once you have done it, this might take a while, but you can also try to reinstall your Helldivers 2 game file. By this way, you should be able to fix your Helldivers 2 black screen problem. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.